How to make longer reels on Instagram. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to make longer reels on Instagram. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Create a reel. On Instagram, tap on your profile. Tap the plus sign icon at the upper right next to the menu and select Reel. Step 2. Change the length. From there, tap the drop-down icon. Tap the length icon. Choose how long you want your video to be from 15, 30, 60, to even 90 seconds. And that's it! That is how you make longer reels on Instagram. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!